Welcome to today's CFD topic, a brief look at optimizing engineering workflows using multi-CAD CFD. With Simerics-MP, design efforts and simulation studies can be seamlessly connected in one environment, shortening product development and providing time to run more studies. The result is intelligent CFD analysis, accurate to within 1 to 5%, in much faster times than competing legacy CFD analysis solutions. You can run highly accurate studies inside of SOLIDWORKS, Siemens NX, Autodesk Fusion, and PTC Creo, or run standalone when CAD access is not available. For example, inside SOLIDWORKS, you can run analyses and make design changes on the fly. After changes are made, simply remesh and rerun. All setup parameters are retained. The same applies to Siemens NX, where engineers can move from geometry to CFD results with no handoffs required. Studies stay close to the design and setup is incredibly fast. Geometry cleanup, simplification, setup, meshing, and results are performed in one intuitive interface and in one intelligent workflow. You can switch from CAD-embedded to standalone, or vice versa, very seamlessly. Run locally in the cloud, or move demanding solve and post-processing work from workstations to the cloud on demand. Since 2006, thousands of users across industry and academia have trusted this technology. To see what multi-CAD CFD can do for your products, contact Vertura 3D for a demonstration, proof of concept, or more information.